do I do now? Shift
I
plus
don't know.
tab to reply. Shift plus tab to reply. What do I do? What do I do? Shift
Just
plus
press buttons.
shift
Press
and
them all.
tab. Alright, I got something here. I don't know what this is. Play
I
game.
mean, I don't know how I
Alright.
start. I'm not even in a game. I'm just like on a. Oh,
You
okay.
accepted an invitation to play Le Portal. And now what happened? And now what happened? Oh, come
I'm
on.
on a loading screen. Are you on a loading screen?
I think I can close this, right?
You're my partner in science.
Can I close this? Can I close this? What's going on? I got a bunch of stuff here.
What's the stuff, huh?
Portal. What do I
There's
click?
like some blueprint thing going on. It says I'm waiting for my partner.
I went live and I'm messing this up right now. Straight away.
Why are you messing it up?
Okay,
Messing it
something's
up.
happening. Okay, now it's loading. Alright, we're on the loading screen now. Alright.
You're supposed to be a professional streamer here.
Let me tweet the links and stuff. Tweet. And Discord. That's not Discord. This is Discord. There we go.
Oh, I'm hearing you double.
Oops.
Oh, that's loud. Oh my god.
Look at us being made.
Hey, why do you sound like you're a robot now?
You sound like a robot too.
What the hell?
Oh, I think we need to disable Discord. I think this has built-in chat to the game. That's what it is.
Oh.
Hold on.
Okay.
Or we leave it like this. We sound like robots. We actual robots.
I am a portal robot.
I hope I'm the short one.
I do the robot.
I am the beatbox robot.
Am I the tall robot?
I hope I'm the short one. Hello.
Hi.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We are subjects of experiments.
What's going on over there, buddy?
Bye. Oh, forastero!
Where was the GoPro?
Hold on. Let me disable.
how do we-
I think we need to disable Discord because
Yeah.
this is I'm out of Discord.
You want to just do it?
Yeah, can you hear me now? No. All right, no.
Hello?
No, oh, no. I went out of the.
Let's turn off the in-game one.
Okay, but now I can hear you just fine, actually. You're not robotic for some reason, so we're good.
Well, I changed my my in-game voice to push to talk instead of open microphone.
Oh, okay. All right.
So you still sound like a robot.
Oh, how do I choose? How do I change that?
Go to options, audio,
Options of audio. Oh, where? On Discord.
and then no, in-game. Just press escape.
Hold on. Options.
Audio, and then down to the enable voice. Click it to like push to talk or
Alright, there we
disable.
go. Or just disable, yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Now you sound normal.
I am normal.
Oh, I'm the short robot.
What?
You're the tall robot.
Oh man.
I press Q to gesture. And then I do this. Look, I'm waving at you, I
My
think.
controller's not working.
Console fail.
I'm gonna have to use.
Hey.
Let me just get let me just get my mouse then, because I'm not gonna do this with a trackpad. Be right back.
I'll just be gesturing at you.
There he is. There we go. Much better. Oh, I'm the tall one. Alright.
Yep. Just like in real life.
What do I do now? What's this?
I don't know. I only have the option to gesture.
Yeah, I mean. But yeah, I cannot do that. I mean, I get a menu.
You can't press Q.
I'm pressing Q, but then I get a menu.
Oh yeah, then you push your mouse up and it'll click on something above it.
Alright.
Yeah, I've never played this or the original Portal, so should be good. What do we do now? We've gestured. Can we play the game? Or am I supposed to gesture at somebody?
I don't know.
Let's gesture at each other at the same time. 1, 2, 3.
Am I gesturing?
It didn't look like you gestured at me.
It's not working. The thing, I'm getting the menu. I'm getting the menu.
Yeah, and then you just kind of mouse up.
No, I'm mousing everywhere, but it's not working.
Really?
Still looking around. Hold on, let me disconnect the controller. Maybe it has something to do with the controller. Maybe
Yeah,
it's the controller getting in the way.
with your silly controller usage.
Options. Let me just check real
Just
quick.
gonna gesture at everybody. I don't know. I can't do anything else. Let me out.
Come
Let
on,
me
man.
out. Attica. Attica.
I don't know what to do. We're already stuck.
Oh my god. We can't get past the opening scene.
Ah, we tried. We tried our best. Come on. I'm putting up. I mean, I'm pressing the Q, holding the Q.
Here, holding Q and moving up with your mouse.
It's not working. I mean, it just looks
does
up.
The arrow, does the arrow move around when you press hold Q?
I get like an arrow, but only for like a split second. I don't get it. Oh man, this sucks.
Is it? How's your game broken already?
God dang it. It's not working for me. Let me just check our controls real quick. Options. Controller. Controller disabled now, alright? Button layout. Default. I don't get it. I honestly don't get it.
It's gonna be a real short stream.
No! It cannot be! Man.
This is what happens when you try and use the controller when mouse and keyboard is superior.
Should I I don't think it has anything to do with that. Should I quit
Wait,
and
what
come
is your
back?
keyboard out? Yeah, I know. Maybe let's just log all the way out.
Yeah, alright. Sorry. I don't know. why.
Reset here.
Exit.
You got one of those broken robots.
Yeah, my robot is defective apparently. I cannot even exit.
Right.
What's going on? Your partner will be disconnected.
Oh my.
Exit the
Oh,
main
maybe because I was leaving, it froze for you or something.
Alright, there we go. Game server has been
Yeah.
shut down. Should I quit the game completely and come back? Just in case?
Yeah, maybe.
Let me just do that.
I'll wait to
God
invite you.
Dang it, man. Let's try again. Ah,
Got these broken, probably a update from Windows.
probably. It's always Windows.
Oh,
Always
man.
Windows. Let's try again. Please don't give me that error again. No, alright, we're good. Alright. Reloading. Get it? Reloading.
Ah!
All right.
Robot jokes. All right, I'm gonna invite you, I think.
Yeah, alright. Let's do that. So, Shift and Tab. And then I accept to play the game. You accepted an invitation. Did you get anything? All right.
I'm on the waiting for your partner screen. Where's my...
Twitching. You are twitching.
I'm twitching. Oh, I have to watch this again. It's so
No.
loud.
It is loud. Can you just skip it or something?
I'm trying to, but escape doesn't seem to work. Just loads the menu.
Yeah, it's not working. You have to watch it again.
I
Hey, look at me being made.
I think we have to get past the first level. That's our reward for skipping this scene again. Oh man, I'm a feisty one.
Oh no!
My butt!
Not your
My
butt!
robo butt! Oh, hey, what's up?
Yellow.
Hi. Ah.
Look at me.
I'm scared.
Look at me.
I'm
Look at me.
scared.
¡Un forastero!
You're so brave.
Un forastero. All right, let's try it again. Try this.
Welcome to the Aperture Science
It's still not
Computer
working,
Aided
man.
Enrichment Center.
It's still not working.
Today, you will be testing with a partner.
Why is this not
Please
working?
wave to your partner.
Oh, see, you do have to. All you have to do is gesture at me, and we can move on. Just gesture at
Why is it
me.
not working?
Just gesture at me. We can move on.
I cannot. I'm not get. The thing is, I do get the menu, but when
Yeah.
it just looks up when I move up.
That's super weird. Are you pressing Q once or like holding it?
The upcoming test requires.
All right, so it worked now.
You did it!
Operation. Both of you have been equipped with a ping tool. Blue, please
Ping
use your ping
tool.
to good. Orange,
Oops.
please observe your partner's favorite animal. Good.
Oh, I didn't know that was my favorite animal.
Please use your ping tool to select your favorite element from the periodic table.
What?
Oh, what's your favorite element? What's your favorite element? Is it CU?
I don't know
Sue.
what I'm supposed to do. F.
Make it Sue.
Really?
No,
Okay. Blue,
Oh,
please
oh,
observe
she's-
your partner's
okay, CD, CD.
interesting choice.
Yeah. I
Oh,
don't
she
know.
doesn't.
Let's
She
compact
doesn't
this.
approve of your periodical choice.
Yeah.
Ah.
Your
Oh, look at me, I'm a
ping tool
walking
can also
robot.
be used to indicate to your partner where you would like them to place their portal. For the sake of this test, I will pretend to be your partner. Using your ping tool, please indicate where you would like me to place your two portals. Ping each location.
What?
I don't know.
Blue, I can only place a portal on a white portalable surface.
Yes, please.
Portal. What is a portable surface?
Yeah, it's only on the white areas. You can only place a portal on the white areas.
Oh.
There you go.
First,
Can I come?
a
Alright, hold
portal
on.
device.
Hold on.
Wait. I can create.
I'm
a
coming.
portal.
I'm coming. Here we go.
Wait,
Whee!
Save
Whoa.
me from myself.
Yay! I'm here.
Huh?
Okay. Now what?
Wait, how do I create a purple portal? Oh, this button. What does a purple portal do? Oh, you want to come over here?
Yeah. How do I do that?
Orange now has a portal device.
Yes! I got myself a portal
Hey!
gun. Where are you?
Each device can create.
I'm stuck in an infinite loop.
Please test your device.
Okay,
You
okay.
there?
Easy enough. I'll put a little portal here. Nope,
Put
that
a
didn't
little
work.
portal
I'll
here.
put a. Nope, that
Portal
didn't work.
here.
Here to here?
And
Is
I'll
that how it
put
works?
here. Yay! I made it.
Wait, what the hell? Why did my portal bring me back here?
Oh, I'm gonna need your help.
Wait.
need to finish
is
the
the purple
portal.
the exit? Is that what's happening?
The exit. Let me see where you are. Hold on. Let me see if I can see
Oh yeah.
you.
So blue is the entrance and purple's the exit.
Yeah, kind of.
Oh,
Alright.
trippy. Okay, I'm on a ledge. I'm up here.
Yeah. Keep going up. You need to find like a. There you go. There you are.
Oh,
Now you need to push the button for me.
That's...
Calibrating blue's weight.
Yeah, you need to keep standing on it. Thank you
Oh.
very much. All right, now I'm next. Come on.
Teamwork.
Teamwork.
Let me in.
Calibrating orange's weight.
Oh,
Battery
fail.
protected.
Fail teamwork. Fail. You're the worst robot
I
ever.
was trying to crush you. What did you do? Oh, I thought you fell. All right, there you are.
Aha! You
thought you-
can't get
Ping
me.
tool is invaluable for
Ping
communicating
tool.
specific locations to your partner.
Hey, put something there.
There we go. I'm coming. Where? Wait. What? What do we do?
How does that help me?
I don't know. That does not help you at all.
How did you make a red portal?
Mine is different. Mine's different portal gun.
Oh.
How do we do this?
So I'm blue and purple and you're red?
Exactly. How do we do this?
I don't know. This.
Where does that? No, don't go there because it's gonna take you back where you had another
Yeah,
portal.
how do-
So. I don't know. Oh, hold on. Hold on. What's that? Oh, okay. Hold on. No, doesn't do anything.
I can't make portals anywhere on your side.
Yeah, it's just there. How are you? How am I gonna help you? Oh, hold
You
on.
make a-
I
can
need
you
to make one for you. Come, hold on.
Yeah, you need to do it. Oh
Hold
my
on.
gosh.
There we go.
Yeah.
Wow, that was so easy. It took us forever.
We're so good at this game.
All right, now.
Activate.
What do I do
This
here?
looks like someone's gonna fall and crush my head.
What do I do here?
Eat a pick up. Okay. Then I put it here. What?
Oh, you still. Oh, you
Hey.
need to go through, eh? Hold
Yeah.
on.
How did you get through?
Ah, okay. You opened my door. Okay, so you opened my door.
Yeah, you gotta open mine.
How do I open your door,
So-
though?
Press the button to get a box. Oh, just press E.
Oh, okay. There we go. There you go. How do I pick it up?
Yeah, now E.
There we go.
Weighted cubes calibrated. No variances detected. Did you know humans frown on weight variances?
Did you see what she said? She said humans frown on weight variances.
Wait, balances.
All right, now then, what do we do
Push
here?
the button on that on my side.
Okay, I need to
Oh,
pick
I
it up.
gave you a cube.
Yeah,
Nice
but-
catch, Orange.
I need to catch it. I
Oh,
need to
she
catch
said
it.
nice catch, Orange.
I need
okay,
to
here we
catch
go,
it.
here
Try
it
again.
comes, here it comes, here it comes.
Got it.
Yeah.
Oh no!
Oh, fail!
Try again.
Okay, here you go.
Where is it?
Get it?
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Oh no! Oh, hold on. Oh no! It cannot go through the field. It can't go through the
Nope,
field.
do you have to portal it over there or something?
How do we do this? Let me think.
Oh, Sakura's here!
Sakura!
Sakura!
How do we
Alright.
do this?
Okay,
Oh,
here we
oh,
go. here we go.
oh. No, no, no!
Oh, Orange!
I'm back, it's fine,
Why?
it's fine, I'm back, it's fine. It's fine.
Okay.
Alright, so
Here we go.
I cannot go through this area with holding the cubes, because I don't know how to do
I think you need to catch it. Can you throw it?
this. I got it, but then what? It can't go through this field, otherwise it gets crushed.
Here. Oh, give it to me. Give it to me right here. There's a
Oh,
hole.
that's right. I didn't realize there was a hole here. There you go.
And then I give it to you through this hole. Boop.
Ah!
Teamwork!
Yeah, here we go.
Hey. Trying to crush me.
We did it. No, I didn't.
Okay.
Now what?
I have a magic barrier.
I
in
push
front
this
of me
button
here.
now.
Oh. Okay.
Now what?
Uh-oh. This looks pretty dangerous. I think you... Oh.
Do I just come over
Look
there?
at that hole.
No, I'm
Look
gonna
at that
fall
hole.
off. No, I'm gonna fall off into the mud.
No, it's not. There's a ledge up here. Isn't there? Yeah, there's a ledge up here.
No,
You
there's.
go through my ledge.
All right. Oh, all right. There it is.
See?
Okay. Yeah.
Aw, no trust in your partner. Oh my god.
There we go.
No trust.
I had almost
Hey.
never testing again.
Oh, look at me.
She's mean. Yeah! Woo!
Hey, she's like super. Whoa.
Stop it. Completing this course was not a reason to behave like that.
Gesture. Oh, we can high five.
How do I high five?
Oh, you press Q to gesture.
Nice.
And then down.
For some reason, I'm the tall one, but whatever.
She's a pretty mean robot lady.
Yes.
I'm blue.
Bye. Have a great time.
Bye.
Oh, ring disassembled. No!
Ah,
My
orange.
penis!
The rubber penis.
Look at us on the treadmill, getting some work done.
We gotta work out, man. We
Yeah.
gotta stay fit.
Oh no, we crashed. Oh no, we crashed. No, we didn't.
It crashed. What?
No, no. Oh wow, it does look like it crashed, but no, it's just loading. It's just loading.
Yeah, it was a little glitchy for a second.
It's
Cool,
an
I
old
get
game.
that.
It's an old game. Oh, here we are.
Oh.
Stop it. What if you froze like that? There
Whoa.
must be something wrong with the reassembly machine. Well, let's do some tests and see what happens.
Oh, let's.
Ooh, hello. Yes, I would like. You know what I would like to try? Okay, remove your portal. Remove your portal. No, where did you go? Where did you go? Oh, you're over there. Oh, hold on. I wanted to try something. Look over here. Where my portal?
How do I remove a portal?
They're too close to each other. I cannot do this. Oh yes, look at this. 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 What? Look, look, look. Wee, wee, wee. I wonder what it looks like. I don't know how I'm gonna get rid of this now. I don't know how I'm gonna get rid of this.
Yeah, I don't know how you get rid of portals.
Uh-oh. Oh! Thank you!
Thank you. I stole you over here.
Thank you. Oh, what's going on here?
Please select a level, then proceed to the disassembly chambers.
Oh, as if. Really?
Well,
What does assemble us
1, 2,
again?
or 3. I don't even know. 3? Yeah?
What? I don't know. Let's go here anyway. Whatever.
Yeah, sure.
Bye!
Did we win?
I'm sure we did.
We just got here.
I'm sure we did. I'm sure we won. Back on the treadmill again.
Oh yeah, man, we work out really hard.
This game. I think it was on the PlayStation. I would love to get this on the PlayStation.
Electrocuted.
Oh yeah.
drowned,
Mass and velocity.
crushed,
Uh-oh.
Burned in goo. Oh, sorry. I was just thinking of all the ways humans can die. You can't
Oh.
die in any of those ways. You just
Oh.
keep testing and testing.
She's
With perfect results.
Let me show you something. Let me show you something. Come over here.
she's
Come
a
over
little
here.
mean.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Okay. Alright.
Look at this.
Oh.
What happened?
Oh.
What happened? Let me try again. Let me try again. Hold on. Ah, stop it! Are you doing something?
I'm not doing anything.
Really? I thought you were doing.
I think when you step in this beam, it deletes it.
I think so. Hold on.
Let me try it. Let me try it. Yeah, it deletes it.
Huh. What if I do it for you? Let me do it myself for you. See if you can do it. Oh, it works! No. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
I'm stuck in hell.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
This is so disorienting. Hey.
No.
Hey!
No. Go again. Go.
Trying to kill me.
Go. Whee!
You bastard!
Sorry, it had to be done.
Bastard.
It had to be done.
Whatever.
Now what do we do here?
Did we push this button already?
I did. Oh. Ah! You have to do the
Oh,
same
you didn't
thing.
push it
We have
good
to do the
enough.
same thing again, actually. Hold on.
Whee!
Hold on. All right, you do it again now. Go.
Launch me!
I'm gonna launch you. Hold on. Give me a sec. Hold
I'm
on.
getting dizzy.
Hold on. 3, 2, 1.
Hey! I see what you were doing.
No, I disabled the wall now, so you keep going straight to the other side.
Oh, you're trying to kill me.
No.
All right, here we go.
Go. Go. 1, 2, 3. You see? You see?
Oh my gosh, let me out of here.
I
Let me
make
out of
this.
here, robot
No.
lady.
I need to get there as well. Help
Oh,
me.
I guess.
Help me. I need to come over there as well. Woohoo.
All right, go ahead.
I'm gonna disable the wall here. Hold on. All right. Whee!
And
Whee! That is awesome. That is awesome.
did we win? Can we leave,
Yes.
robot lady?
Every time you fail, it's a reminder of the way things used to be. But
Dude, we're
then
so
there
good
you
at this
are.
game.
We're so good. We're crushing this. We're gonna finish this in like.
Yeah.
There we go. It gets really tricky. Yeah, the puzzles are gonna get really tough. We have to
Oh,
combine our brain power.
our mighty robo brains.
Yes.
Yes.
Excellent.
The best way to build confidence is
Okay.
to first recognize your insecurities. Ari,
Oh.
can you write down all the ways you feel unworthy, ashamed, or inferior?
Oh.
No thank you.
Yeah.
We don't have the time.
Oh.
Better you are than blue. Blue.
Oh, hey! What
You
the
are very
hell?
good
What?
at being an example.
She totally insulted you and then turned it around on me and insulted me.
Alright, let's see where this takes us.
Oh, there's one of those things again.
So there's some sort of steps here. Let's see if I can...
Button.
Button, okay.
Hey.
No, be
oh.
careful. Be careful. I don't think I can make it over to the other side. I don't think I can jump that high. Let's see. No, I don't think I can jump that high.
Well, what are all these for?
See if you can make it to the other side. See if you can jump to the other side.
Jump?
Yeah.
From where?
Come over here where you just... Yeah, from over, yeah, over there.
Oh, you're gonna let me die. I don't trust you.
No,
You go out
no,
there.
no, no,
Go test it. Go test it, friend. You go test
No, if
that
I...
leg.
But you need to stand here, okay?
You treasonous robot.
No, what I did was just a little hop.
A little hop.
Alright, so it's not gonna work. So let's see. How do we do this?
We gotta do something with.
Hold on a second, I'm thinking.
None of these things seem to be in line to like. Oh, there it is. Look up here. Up here. There's an exit up here. I think we gotta launch
Okay.
somebody out
Alright,
there.
so we just need to do the thing again. Here, over here, like this.
Yeah, but then I need to combo with you.
Now, go through.
Yes.
I'm gonna lead you to, I'm gonna take you to the other side.
Oh, it
Jump.
disappeared. Why did
Oh,
it
because I-
disappeared because you went through.
that's
Oh,
right.
see, we got a combo, so you have to put your stuff up there, and then I think I have to
Hold
set
on, no, no,
something
no,
up
no.
here.
No, no, I just need to go make sure I don't go through the thing. Hold on. I'll just go from here. As long
I
as I
think you do it
don't...
from okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So now, once you're jumping, let me know.
Okay, whoop.
Are
Oh,
you-
what the hell?
Are you going through?
Oh, okay, here we go. Go ahead.
1, 2. Woo! There you go. Now, what about me?
Oh,
A little ball that
the hell
dropped.
was that?
I don't know.
I think I have to catch whatever that was. Hey, what the hell?
Oh, hold on. Let's just make that easier for you.
Oh. Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
Then what?
What the hell are we supposed to do with this?
Don't go through there. I think it will destroy it.
Oh
I
yeah,
think-
huh? I'll just leave it here.
Yeah, just leave it there.
Okay,
See if
so
you can
we got
portal it.
Metal ball.
How are we gonna portal it though? Oh, maybe I can. Hold on. Let me just see if I can. Can you take it from here? There you go.
Yep. But I still don't know what we do with it.
Hold on.
Oh, the exit's over here. That's right. Oh, so we just do one of these situations.
Oh, nice. I'm coming. Hold on. Don't close the portal.
And then I put the ball here.
Nice. Yeah.
I can appreciate
Brain
the
power.
desire to stop and smell the testing.
We so
What
smart.
other scent you smell? That's the stench of my utter disappointment in you.
Wow. I don't think I like this lady.
Cheer dances his way to the stream with no pants. Cheer. Hello.
Cheer.
Cheer. Oh, so my name is Peabody, and your name is Atlas.
Oh, Atlas.
All right, I'm Peabody.
Peabody. I'm that guy that like holds up the world, right?
Yeah.
Remember when I told you that you were the only subjects to pass the calibration test?
I remember.
There are
Oh, shit.
5,000 other two-subject teams
Ooh, all right.
in direct competition with you. But don't worry, you are in the lead.
Oh, we're in the lead. Hey, the
So
best.
how do we?
Hey,
do
there's
this?
Cheer. What's up, Cheer?
I'm doing great, Cheer. Thank you. I'm doing great. How are you, buddy? Oh, I lurk on your stream sometimes, you know, Mr. Cheer.
Here, start jumping. I'm gonna launch you somewhere.
Hold on a second. I need to send a quick test.
Got the headache. Oh, that sucks, dude. I'm doing good. Just
All right. So,
Just
okay.
hanging
So,
out.
what did you do? You going through that port?
You
Oh,
did-
all right. It's easy peasy.
yeah, I'll launch you up.
Yeah. Whee!
And
Whee!
Get-
Oh,
get something,
Oh no! I was supposed to do something real fast, and I just.
All right, hold on. There you go.
Whee! Hold on. I need to get my E ready. All right, because I need to press E for
Okay.
quickly.
Okay, ready?
Here we go. Here we go.
And launching.
Where am I? I pressed it.
Hey.
I don't know if I don't know what
Okay.
happened, but I pressed something.
Okay, well, I'll launch you into the other one, see what that does.
There's another one.
There's another side. I assume we have to press both buttons or something.
Here we go.
Ready?
Yep.
And boo!
Here we go. I pressed it as well.
Oh, wait a minute. They're on like a timer. Look at it. It lasts for like 5 seconds and then changes. How are we gonna do this? I think we have to press them both at the same time.
Really? Whoa.
Because like when you click it, it starts a little countdown around the circle for like 3 or 4 seconds.
Oh, wow. Okay, so yeah, we need to. How are we gonna do that though? We need to jump into each other's portals for sure. Hold on.
Okay.
So there's only one of.
So we set
there's only one of
wait.
these, so we cannot do it
How,
simultaneously.
yeah, that doesn't work. Maybe do you have to set one up in advance or something?
I have no idea.
Let's see. Okay, so mine's there, and I'll make you go super fast, and then I can launch you on this one.
On this one?
And then, oh, maybe. Oh, here what we can do. You do that. I will launch you up. When you're in the air, I'll set up an entry portal and then an exit on this side.
Nice. Yes.
Oh, let's
Wow,
go.
you're figuring out everything by yourself. All
We're
right.
so
Yeah.
smart. That's
All
teamwork.
right, here we go.
Ready?
Whee!
And go. And then I'm gonna.
I pressed it.
Oh no! Oh no! Okay, wait, that doesn't work because I can't get rid of this portal. Well, maybe you have to do it. Wait, no, you
No.
can't set up your exit on that side.
Hmm.
How do I get rid of the portal? That's super annoying.
Hold on. Maybe you use the wrong portal. You know, there's like a blue one and a different colored one. Maybe you use.
So that's my entrance. Let me see. Okay, so if I put an exit there and then I shoot an exit here.
Yeah.
And when you're in the air, I want to change it to my entry one, but I can't change it.
Oh, that's right. No, you cannot do it while I'm going through. No. No. Wait. Yes. Yes. No. No, I can't think of anything. I can't think of anything. I don't know.
Oh man.
Let me try myself.
It
Hold on.
seems like that should work, but that does not work.
Try going through. Let me see if I can do this.
Okay.
We'll just do the exercise for now. We don't have to push the buttons. I'm gonna see if I can do
Okay.
this. Start jumping.
So I'm going.
Alright. Oops, I changed the wrong one.
You
Sorry.
put the wrong portal.
So the one on top is up there. The one at the bottom is down here. So I need to do the one at the top. Alright. Let's. Are you jumping?
So I'm going. You did the wrong one.
What? No.
I need the exit portal.
So-
The exit is your red one.
Alright. So the exit. Alright. What am I doing?
Oh, you put an exit one down
Alright,
there.
there we go. So here we go.
Okay. Okay, I'm going. Oh man, we're gonna be here a minute.
No. I got this. Trust
You got
trust me.
it?
Go again.
Fourth time's the charm.
Yep.
Here we go.
Alright, so you're
All right,
jumping.
ready?
You're jumping. Ready?
Man, you
What?
you failed pretty hard there.
Oh, come on.
And now I'm just bobbing back and forth.
I don't
Let's
get
try
it.
that again.
What am I doing wrong?
I think on that one, I hit a ledge on this, so I didn't get the momentum. So we'll try it again. It'll work this time. Okay. Here we go. Okay, go ahead. There we go. Okay, so I'm up. Now change it.
Nice. I'm switching them. Yes. All right. Yeah. Take all the time you want.
Okay,
Take all the time you want now.
Here we go. And boop.
And do the other one.
And boop.
Nice. Ooh, so many balls.
Juggling test.
Balls for everyone.
So many balls. I got balls. All right. So what do I do with the balls? All right. You put one already. Okay. I'm gonna bring
I
one with
put
me as a
one.
souvenir.
I dropped it off the edge.
It breaks. Ah, we did it.
The plan works. We just see that teamwork there.
No, cheer. I cannot make portals apparently. No. I suck.
Oh, suck again.
I suck at the make a portal.
Oh, no.
And this game is awesome because it's going to cause a lot of pain and laughter.
Oh, so much pain.
So much pain. Here we
Did you
go.
notice I didn't even stay to the end of your last test? I was confident you could finish. Do you know where I was? I was
Man.
outside watching some deer frolic.
Well,
You don't even care about
what's
the
this?
outside, do you?
oh my goodness. Hey, how you doing there, buddy?
This is launching us. Alright, so what if I do this and I do this? Go. Stand on it. See what happens.
And woo!
Alright, I'm gonna
Hey,
do the
look
same.
over here.
Whee!
Well,
Alright.
that seemed like really easy.
Yep. We did it. There we go. The end.
Wow.
There we go. We're so good. Oh, another one of those. Okay.
Go.
Me
Go
first.
ahead. Whee! Wait, that doesn't make sense because I can just walk through here anyway.
What do I do? No, but you cannot go. Yeah, that's right.
Oh, I'll put my exit up here. Okay, go through again. Go through again.
We will rock you.
Go through the portal!
We will rock you. Whee!
Oh man, how do
Well,
we
I
do
went
that?
back here.
So if I launch you up, you hit that one, but I can't make a portal through this beam.
Exactly.
And if I go through this beam, all my portals on this side disappear.
Exactly. So
See?
if I do one here, and I go through the portal, it goes away. Yeah,
It
that's
is-
right. So you
yeah.
need to stay. Hold on.
So there.
I
Maybe-
think you need to act fast. No, that doesn't make sense.
No,
Hold
because
on.
when I go through, they disappear. Maybe. Maybe you have to act really fast. Like if I do an opening there, an exit here, and then as you're midair exiting this one, I put an entrance on that side.
I have
Let's
no-
try. Let's try.
I have no idea.
Let's try.
Cheers says
Ready?
Doctor Strange
Ready?
would be great at this
Go.
game. We will rock
No.
you.
Okay, hold
Sing
on,
it.
hold on. This is gonna work. This is gonna work. This is gonna work.
We...
No, I didn't do it in time. Ah, man.
Ah,
I think
man.
we need a double portal situation happening here. I think you need to set one up on this side, and I'll set mine up here.
Hold on.
So
yeah,
I'll
that
set
gives.
my exit up, and then
Yeah,
you
that-
do yours. No.
I have
No,
an
you
idea.
go- you start
I
on that
have
side.
an idea. Hold on. I'm gonna overwrite your portal here. I'm gonna put my portals over
Okay.
here. You go on the other side. All right. Obviously, mine are gonna disappear because I crossed. And then you put yours.
Ah,
So once
Oh.
I go over there,
Okay, go
you
ahead,
put one
go
over
ahead.
there. You know what to do?
yeah, you're good. You're good. Go.
All right. So I'm gonna place mine. One over here and one over here. I'm gonna go through the portal. Whee! I made it. I made it.
You made it.
Now, what
Now
do
you gotta get me up there.
I think you can because my portals are still open. I think you can just go through, right?
Yeah, but then mine will disappear up top here.
You will not go through the. You're not gonna go through
I can go through yours, but when I launch up here to where mine are, they'll disappear because I'll go through this little
Oh no!
laser.
Only if you go through that. You're not. Oh yeah, that's right. You're gonna have to go. Hold on.
Yeah. Can you set up any portals up there? Oh
Yeah.
yeah. Now you. Oh no, you can't set up the portal from this angle though.
Hold on a sec. Oh, I have an idea. Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on. I put one here. Wait a sec. Because there's one. I can put a portal here, and I can only put a portal here. So still, that doesn't. Hold on. And you're gonna come out of. Which portal do you come out of? I don't get it.
I think I come out of your red portal.
No, but you go through because it's not on the other side. Can you see the portal from the other side? I put a portal on this. I don't think you
I
can.
see that one up there, and I see the one against this thing, but I don't know how I'd get to either of those.
I'm trying to think. Let me see. Hold on. I'm
let me
gonna go
see.
down again. Yeah, you can see where I put the portals, but you cannot go through them. So, what if...
Ow!
Hold on. Trying to think. What if I put one here and one there? And you go through, literally, like that. Can
Well,
you
that's
try?
what I did for you.
Oh.
That's what I did for you, but then we're still stuck in the same situation where one person's stuck down here. But let me see it from that side.
Go
just so
take
I
a
can
look.
see
Yeah,
what
go
it
take a look.
looks
See what's what. Yeah.
like. Maybe I can
Yeah.
brainstorm something here. Whee! Okay. So, now that I'm over, how do we get the other person over? That is the question.
Exactly. Unless there's some sort of a button that you need to push, and then we'll just lower a bridge or something. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't see any button.
Oh my goodness, I swear, when I'm playing video games and streaming, everybody texts me. My mom, hello, how are you?
Hello.
Alright, let's see. Let me see if I can... What happens if I... I tried to see what's what. Cheer figured it out, but please don't tell me. Oh, now she's asking me to call her. My goodness.
What? I'm gonna take your portal. Oh wait, set up the top again.
All right, hold on. Where?
The top part. I already set mine up over here.
Oh, so you want me to put one over there?
Yeah, so I can fly across again and see if I can see anything from that angle.
Yeah, but where's that gonna take you? You
Oh,
can't go
you
through.
you didn't set up the other side. I need the
Oh,
exit
that's
portal.
right. Sorry. That's right. Sorry. Oops. Oh, give me a sec. I wasn't done yet.
Terrible robot.
All right, try again. You're gonna be okay now.
There we go.
Wait a minute.
All right.
Hold on. No idea. Any ideas?
I don't know. Try to see if I can shoot one over the edge here for you, but that's not gonna do it.
That's so strange. What do we do? Cheer figured it out, but I don't want to know what the solution is.
Oh yeah.
I don't want to know.
I don't wanna know. Ah! Oh, that didn't help at all. Oh!
What?
Oh! Look
What?
where I am!
What?
I accidentally figured it out. Look where I am.
What? What did you do? I'm coming. Hold on.
Yeah!
What the heck? How did we do that? How did we do that? We have no idea.
Oh, because my big brain figured it out. That's how we did that.
That was a fluke.
I totally intentionally did that.
All right, now let me see. I already know what we need to do here. Yeah,
We got
there
a
we
jump
go.
pad and an exit. Go ahead, go through.
Whee!
Woohoo!
Pushing the button.
Oh.
What happened? I pushed the button. Something happened, but I don't know what.
Yeah, the wall.
Oh, okay. All right.
Let me use that one. Oh, no, wait, I can't shoot stuff through there. How do I take advantage of this situation? Oh, I know. Here we go. Exit and entrance. Here we go. Hold the button. Woo! Okay, we're getting somewhere, I think. Now I'm trapped in the room.
I'm trying to see if there's How do I do this?
I don't know the advantages of me being up here.
Oh, what? Can I crush you?
No, I'm just chilling here.
I tried crushing you.
Maybe I don't know. There's portal squares up here, but
Am I supposed to join you in there? Is there anything interesting? I don't know.
there's just two walls for portals. One's at kind of an angle, but I don't know how we're supposed. because there's one of those little barriers here, so our things disappear. I think I need to launch. I think. Oh man, we need this. We need this cube. I know that much. We need the cube to hold that button down that you're on, so this door will stay open.
Hold on.
Oh, I know what we do. Hold on, stay there, stay there. I think stay there. Maybe. Let me see. I'm gonna shoot this here. I'm gonna shoot an exit here. I'm gonna get this cube.
Oh! Oh, watch out!
Okay, and then I'm gonna give the cube to you.
Alright. I'll take the cube. I put it over
And
here.
yeah, you hold that down.
There we go. Now I can join you. What?
And then I think what we need to do is... You need... Here, go through that one. Go through the starting one with the little pusher thing.
Okay.
Over there. And I'll launch you across the room with mine. And then I think you need to set stuff up.
Alright, now.
I think how do we do this? Because our stuff's gonna disappear when we go through the laser.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was thinking.
Because I think we need to use the force of that pushy thing to launch us across, and then someone sets up a portal there and an exit on the left side, and then it launches us to the exit area over here. You see what I'm saying? Here, try setting yours up. Entrance on the right and exit on the left. Let's see if this works.
Like this?
Yeah. Let me see if I jump across if that actually does stuff.
Yeah, it is.
Ow.
It is.
Oh!
It did.
I'm here.
It
Oh,
worked,
here.
yeah.
And then here.
You
Go through
can't.
my portal. No.
You
No,
can't because.
jump down. No.
Ah,
no, you jump down, jump down.
alright. That's right. Yeah, that's right. There we go. Hello.
Hey!
It worked. Yeah, baby.
You know who dances
We smart.
around like an imbecile when they accomplish the tiniest little thing?
This woman is
She's so condescending.
Than that.
she's being a little bit rude.
She's so condescending.
I know, right?
I hope we
I'm
get to
gonna
kill
have a
her
word
at
with
the end. Yeah, I hope we get to kill her at the end or something.
I know, right? I
But-
want to talk to her boss.
The
I want
o-
to talk to your supervisor, man.
The only gun we have is a portal gun. I don't think it's gonna damage her when we shoot her
I'll
with it.
portal her straight to hell. Just gonna...
Oh man. All right.
If your confidence is still not high enough, remember.
There's only 8 levels? Man, we're
Even
good at
I
this
was
game.
created with
We're
the
so good.
imperfection. I was given too much empathy with human suffering, but I overcame my handicap. That's a true story.
What the hell?
All right. Let me see where this takes us first of all. Let me see where this.
Alright.
All right. So there's one of those jumpy thingies over here. So I'm assuming if I
Oh.
do this and then I do no. Is it gonna be like that? Where's it gonna take me?
Jumpy thing? Like it pushes you up in the
Yeah.
air? Oh.
Whoa! This is an infinite jump! Infinite jump!
Infinite loops!
Infinite loop! Almost. Okay, so.
So you launched over there.
So it
Maybe I can
launches
set
me-
up an... Here, I'll set up an entrance
No,
here, so
hold
you
on.
launch-
Maybe this? Maybe like this? Hold on. Let me see. Hold on. Look at this.
Oh.
No. I thought it was gonna.
wait.
Oh, maybe over here? Hold on. Maybe over here?
Oh, wait, there's a whole nother room over here. Let me see what we got.
Yeah.
Oh, we need a bot. Hey, where do we get a square from? We need one of those squares.
Yeah.
Maybe you jump. Wait, how do we do this? So you, from the top, you jumped. Here, why don't you go back up there again?
Hold on.
Let me see. So, if you jump on that thing, it launches you all the way over to this one, right?
Yeah. Yes. All right. So what if I do this? Hold on. Like this and like this. So hold on.
Okay.
Whee! Wow!
Whoa! Okay.
What am I doing? What's going on?
Where are you? Oh my god!
What is going on? What is going on? Help me! Am I dead?
You might be in purgatory, my
Am I gonna
friend.
be alright?
No, you're not.
What do I do?
I don't know. Is there a oh my god. Alright, alright. Hey.
Hey.
I mean, I kind of get the jumping stuff, but we need to... I think this thing triggers a box, right? This thing up here? Hey. Hey, buddy.
Yo.
Ah.
Can we
Lit
high five?
fire.
Yeah, there we go.
Hey.
Alright, so let's talk serious stuff now. What do we do?
I don't see a button or anything though for it. How do we open that thing?
I'm still convinced that it has to do something with this and...
Oh, the button's up here. Oh, so we need to eventually launch... How do we do that? So you launch there, but then if you launch from there, stay where you are, and then you exit here.
Okay, coming.
That would launch you across the way up to that ledge to push that button. You see?
Ah, okay.
So how do we make that happen?
I need to get momentum.
We need that sequence of events to happen.
Alright.
Oh, maybe. Oh yeah, set up yours. It's already kind of set up, right?
Yeah, but I need...
Go to.
But I'm down here now.
Oh well, get out of there. Yeah. Go do your jump, and my portal's already set up to launch you, so the momentum should keep going, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Hold on. So I'm gonna set up my portal.
Fortnite my ass.
So I do it like this, like that.
Yes.
All right, here we go. Here we go.
Okay.
Moment of truth.
Here we go. Okay, then you should land in mine.
Woo! Yeah, baby!
And then button.
Here comes the cube. Where is it?
Oh, it's over there. I'll get it. Oh, wow. It's already... Oh no! I messed up. I went through the laser, so my thing got... Oh, we have to do it again. Oh no, I wanted to watch it.
I can push the button anytime I want. Look.
Okay, there we go.
Whee!
Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Woo! Woo!
All right, I got it.
Here, drop it down.
That was funny.
Oh, hey, get in there.
Giggity. All right.
Wait, how do I get up there?
Bye. Hold on, I got you sorted, my friend.
Set up a
actually,
portal.
Actually, I don't know how. I don't know.
Because if I go through, my stuff will disappear on this side. Oh, I just have to set it up on that side. So can you set up mine on this side?
Yeah.
Where I
Okay,
had
hold
mine?
on. Go.
Oh, whoops! I gotta do this first. Whee! Whee! Oh my god, I'm busy.
All right,
You
we did
guys
this.
are sick. Vloggy, how's your tummy doing?
Oh,
I
done.
was curious.
Yes, it's okay now. It's okay, but I make fart every now and
Make fun.
then. I make a
What's this button do?
fart. Ooh, look at that! Ooh,
Oh,
they're playing
okay,
ping
okay.
pong.
Work.
She said excellent work super sarcastically, and I don't appreciate that.
So how do you
so,
do this? I want to try this. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I'm gonna try. Whee! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this!
Oh! Hey!
Oh, wow, I landed here. Okay.
How do we get that?
Did you push a button earlier to get the box?
Yeah, maybe you can catch
Okay.
it.
Yeah, that's what I'm
So
gonna
it
try.
doesn't land. Oh, nope, it lands on that thing in the midair.
Oh.
Hey, wait, it doesn't even... Wait a minute, let
How
me
did
see
it bounce
this.
earlier?
It doesn't even hit that...
You are doing
It doesn't even...
wonderfully.
It doesn't even hit that thing over here.
How does it?
What the hell?
How was it bouncing around earlier?
Bouncing?
Yeah, I saw it bouncing from one side to the other earlier. I don't know how.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Wait. What? You know what? I'm gonna sacrifice myself. Oh, it doesn't even work.
Okay.
Doesn't even work. All right. So.
Yeah, I don't think you can do that. Oh! 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 Did you see that? Watch this. Watch this. Oh!
Oh.
Okay, this is something, but I don't know how. Oh, I know what we do. I know what we do.
What? Well, hold on. Stay there. Keep
Someone
going.
has to jump it. Fail. Someone has to be doing that and go at the same time someone presses this button to catch that box midair.
Oh, seriously?
Boom! Someone has to do that.
Seriously? All right.
I don't understand.
I
It's a
volunteer.
puzzle
I
game,
volunteer. I
All right.
volunteer.
All right, you fly in the air. Let's see.
Woo! All right.
Oh, that was too soon. Too soon. My bad. Here we go. Here we go. Get it!
No,
Oh,
no.
no! It's gotta be like right when you exit the portal. Here we go.
It's
Dang
not
it.
working. I'm trying.
Here you go. I'll wait a second, and I'll do it now. No,
I didn't
it's too
even
late. Too late. Too late. Do you see the box?
Yeah, I see it flying around, but
I mean, that's gotta be it, right? I mean, it doesn't land on any of the pads. Oh, we got a dead robot.
it's okay. I'm the replacement. Apparently, I'm better now.
Oh,
I'm the
hey,
replacement.
Vloggy 2.0.
Let's see where this comes out of. Hold on. I want to see where this comes out of. Alright, so it gets shot out of there. That's
See,
it.
it lands underneath that pad.
So it doesn't even. So it doesn't even touch the pad or anything.
No.
It bounces. You want to try again with the thing? See if you can catch it, perhaps.
I'll try.
All right, I'm gonna spam the button.
Oh! Ah! We got this. We got this.
Why is it-
Michael Jordan! Ah!
No, I don't think it's gonna work though.
I think it'll work if we just time the exit right.
Nah,
Like, I couldn't-
you're like
that
flying.
was-
I feel like you're flying too low.
Well, that's because we got to get it right when I'm going through the exit portal. That's when it's got to be going to me.
All right. Let me try.
See, like that's too high because we weren't
Yeah, I'm
close
gonna-
enough.
I'm gonna calculate. Oof.
Here we go. Here we go. No box. Oh, nope. Oh, that one. I think. Are you pressing it over and over?
Yeah. When I spam it.
Because I got it.
How did you get it? What?
Because I'm a boss.
You're a freaking boss. You're a freaking boss. You got it.
Go, Michael Jordan.
You're a freaking boss. I think it's because you're tall. I'm coming.
If you're tall in the IRL, you do good.
On completing that test.
Yeah.
I wonder if that dancing has some effect on you.
She's jealous
Dance
of our
off.
dancing. She wishes she could dance this good.
Yeah. Wait, so you can only make portals on white walls? Yes, sure. Exactly. Exactement, as they say in French.
Only make portals on what?
Yeah, you can only make them on the white walls.
Guten Tag, as they say in French.
Oh, man. Alright, here we go.
Test times show you are going too
Oh my
slowly.
gosh.
Maybe you are getting
We're on like the
impatient.
almost last level already. We're so good at this
We
game.
finished the game.
Let's see
Nice.
if this helped. Blue.
Alright, now there's two
You
buttons
are
over
the
there.
most advanced model of robot Aperture
Oh.
Science has ever discontinued.
Man, what the hell? Screw you, robot lady.
F, hold for countdown. Why is this?
Ow. What does that mean? What does that mean? What does F hold for countdown?
I don't know.
Oh, I can like, Oh, that's interesting.
This needs to be timed perfectly, I think. Something that needs to be timed
So
perfectly.
we have to time something for 3 seconds here. What the hell?
For those people who don't have, maybe for those people who don't have voice chat, perhaps, I don't know.
Yeah, maybe.
So where does this shoot me? Okay. Oh, okay.
Oh,
Oh, I already got this. I already got this. All right. So you need to start.
You got it.
Yeah, you need to. I know what needs to be done. I mean, I look where I'm gonna slam. That's where you need to put in a portal. That's where you need to put in a portal, and then you need to switch the portal. Once I go through the first portal, you need to switch the wall. You need to put one over here. You know what I mean? So like, then you change portal, and I pop out of the other one. I think.
Okay. I see.
Something
Here,
like
here,
that.
try that again.
Oh, ouch.
And then wait. Damn it! You went the opposite side that time. I was looking at this wall.
No, what?
Damn.
I don't hit the white spots actually. I don't even hit the white spots. So boink. All right. So there's one. I don't get it. Hold on. Oh!
No, I hit that one.
What did you do?
Oh,
What
I
did you
think.
do?
Oh, you just need to set it up like that. See how I have mine set up?
Okay,
Set it up on the opposite
okay,
side.
I got it. Let me try it. So one.
And then we jump at the same time. That's what the countdown's for, I think.
Boom. Oh yeah, we need
okay,
to jump
yeah,
at the same
yeah,
time.
so we do the same time.
All right. Hold on.
You say when. You count us down.
Hold on. Let me just. Oh, everything's sorted already. So, okay. 3, 2, 1, launch!
Winning! Oh, go outside! Okay,
Bosses.
Oh, we're so smart. Oh, laser beams. What is
Ooh.
this?
Oh, I love this. Okay, you play around with that. Put the
I
that's
have
a
to,
that's a lens. Put the lens under the laser, and then you can turn out. You see, you can actually turn around and aim the laser wherever you want. Yeah, look at that.
See.
You can shoot me with it.
Hey, Vloggy,
Yeah, I'm
get
hiding.
over here.
I'm hiding.
Let me show you what a laser beam does.
Oh, you got crushed! You got crushed!
Oh my god, my body!
That's what happens when you get cocky.
Oh, where was my backup?
Oh man! All right, so yeah, what do we need to do here?
What's this thing?
I'm gonna run for it. Quickly. Oh man, I can't.
Yeah, there's nowhere to go. Maybe I will laser that thing.
Yeah, I was thinking the same.
Ah, laser beams, but it only lasers this exact level.
Yeah, get out of there! What if you leave the cube
Does this
there?
do something here?
Oh
look at
yeah,
that,
that's
there's one
right.
of those-
I have an idea.
There's
I
a jump
have
thingy up
an
there.
idea. I have an idea. So I put a portal here. Hold on, and a portal here. All right.
Okay.
Now I grab the laser. But I need to be fast about this, huh? Hold on, because it's gonna crash. Hold on.
This is gonna take a while.
No, it's
Cheers,
not.
talking
Go
to
say,
a
go
robot
hide.
lady.
Go hide. Quickly.
Okay.
Quickly now. Quickly.
Oh, I see the lasers
Am
coming
I
out
doing
there.
it?
Okay.
Am I hitting the laser?
I mean, there's a laser, but I don't know what you're hitting. Maybe your exit needs to be a little higher.
My portal needs to be higher. Oh, hold on.
Maybe.
Hold on. There's.
I mean, there's a jump thing up there, so that's gotta have something to do with this level.
Yeah, that's true.
I don't know how we get to that thing though.
Trying to think. What is this? What's this? I don't know if it's a decorative thing, but this is giving me RE5 flashbacks. I know, right? This is so RE5. Let me see. I'm trying to think. Oh man, I don't have enough time to practice around with it because I get crushed. What do I do? What do I do?
Oh, it's open. Oh, never mind.
Yeah, it closes really fast.
Yeah, really fast.
Trying to think. Whoa, you got crushed again.
In case you were wondering,
I thought you could
you
sneak
will
by
not
the
be
side.
crushed to solve this test.
Oh. Thank you, robot lady.
Whoa!
Oh!
Which is my favorite. The crushers for crushing you, or the reassembly machine for putting you back together,
Alright.
so you can be crushed again.
Dang, I don't appreciate what she's saying to me right now.
Yeah, we're gonna get her.
Ah!
What do we do? I have no idea.
What are these things over here?
That's what needs to be done. I'm pretty sure that's what needs to be done. Leave that portal here. I'm gonna try this again. I can raise it up.
Okay.
I'm holding it up right now, right?
Oh, I see, I see.
Yeah, I'm gonna try that. Alright, you need to tell me if it's higher. Well, I think I can see through the portal, so you watch what I'm doing here. Stay safe though. Stay safe. I don't want to burn you with the laser.
Yeah.
Am I doing it?
Okay.
Higher? Higher?
It's way too low. It's gotta be way higher. And now it's nope.
I'm gonna get crushed.
Laser not burning. Hey, what are these things?
Wait,
What are these things up here? Look. Like, what's that thing?
Maybe I just need to. No, I don't get it. I don't get it. There's a portal over here as well.
Oh!
No.
I think I know what's supposed to go on. Look, this thing over here.
Yeah?
I think we have to shoot the laser into that, and it's got to exit from here. Try that. Try the laser. Try the laser with that.
Yeah,
Like, just
yeah,
aim the
yeah,
laser
yeah.
back at my entrance.
Yeah,
See
yeah,
what that
yeah,
does. I think-
yeah. All right, let me just get rid of this first of all. Hold on, let me just make sure that these things don't fry me. Hold on, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm coming. I'm coming. Giggity. Hold on.
Giggity-goo. Hey! Oh! It raised the platform, but I'm not on it.
Am I gonna get crushed? Hold on.
Oh yeah, move. Yeah.
All right, let's try again. Go
Okay,
get on the
so-
platform.
So wait, but what do we do after I raise this platform?
I don't know. Go up there
Like-
and then.
All right. I think because we're gonna need probably both sets of portals. Here, stop.
Okay.
Set up your portals for the laser, so I can still use mine when I get up there.
All right. There we go. Ready?
But you need to set up your exit. Your exit needs to be over here.
Ah, okay, that's right. So one over there, one over there. Okay, good. I'm going.
Okay, so I'm up. Okay, I'm over here.
Get on the platform. Get to the platform now!
Get to the platform.
Get to the platform now!
Okay. Oh no, you lost it. Okay, I'm up. I'm going up. What the hell do I do up here?
I don't know, but I have to get out of here. I got crushed.
I think. Oh damn.
Something needs to be done fast.
Oh, I think. Okay. Here we go. So I'm gonna jump up. You do the laser,
Okay.
and then when I'm up all high, I'm gonna jump down into this one, and then I'll jump across to that one, and I think that'll bash me into that thing.
Okay.
I
So
think.
laser face over here. All right, ready?
Possibly.
Whoa!
Okay.
I left the laser over there.
We got this.
All right. I'm coming. Giggity.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Hold on. Nope. Okay. Here I go. Oh yes! I'm across.
Did you do it?
Yeah.
Now what do I do? Oh, you switched it off.
Yep.
All right. I don't know why, but the laser is still shooting laser now out of it. I don't know why.
I don't know.
I don't know
about
if it's a
that one.
glitch, but it's still shooting laser now. All right, I'm coming.
Okay, so that one.
Yes!
So stand by the door because this door only stays open for like half a second. I'm gonna bash into the button here and let you through, and I think then you have to do something to let me through. Okay, I'm going through. Nope.
Oh!
Do it again.
Wow, okay.
See,
try
it's like
again.
it's like half a second.
Yeah. Oh, why didn't I open? Hold on, let's try again. Ready, 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 ready.
Alright, I'm through. There's nothing in here for me to get you through.
Is there any portable walls? Portable. Get it?
No,
Port.
there's nothing in here for me to port
Oh,
or
wow,
anything.
okay.
Now I can't get out.
Strange. That's very strange. Trying to think.
Here, let me out. I think maybe we might have to do this at the same time, maybe?
No, that doesn't make sense because... No.
Well, there's a lot of portal walls here. There's gotta be something we gotta do with portals here.
Yeah, but... Strange stuff.
Ow.
I wanted to do that.
Yeah.
What if... So strange right now. I got...
So all this does, launches up here, and like half a second to get through the door, which isn't enough for the person who actually hits the button to do it. Oh, hey, can we use that laser thing?
I was thinking about the laser thing, but to do what? Oh, to put the cube! The cube! Just do the cube. The cube will do the thing for us.
It'll hit it for us.
But it's still shooting laser. Careful! 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 I think it's just a glitch, though. I don't think it's gonna burn me. It's just a glitch. Yeah.
Let's see if this works. I don't even know.
Do you still see it shooting laser? Do it quickly!
Yeah, I still see it.
Quickly!
Oh yeah, but
Oh, so close!
Oh, I know what to do. I know what to do. So I'll put it down, and then I'll put a portal here, and I'll just portal through that in a second. Okay. So get ready. Here we go.
All right. Yeah! It's a good moment. It's a good moment for us. Oh man, that's a good moment for us. We did it! Yeah!
After that display,
Yeah.
we should take a break from the official testing courses.
Oh, the computer's getting tired, huh? The computer's getting tired.
A little vacation because we're so good at this game.
Yeah, even
no big deal.
Even the system cannot keep up with us, our smarts.
Oh man, our smartness.
Yeah. Was that you slapping on your tie?
My tie. Yeah.
Now let me do that.
Ah, there you go.
All right. Here we
To
go.
complete this test, you need to find a set of blueprints. Don't worry, they are of no use to anyone. Totally boring and useless. This is just a thought experiment.
What?
To see how much time you'll waste thinking about these worthless documents.
What?
0 seconds.
What the hell? I don't like this lady.
Me neither. And I have no idea what... Okay, so the laser comes out of here. And this place looks broken and messed up here. Huh? This place looks abandoned. And there are no portable walls, right?
Yeah, they are.
Portable walls. Oh, there's over
Like
there.
these tan ones, those are portalable.
Okay. Okay, yeah, that's right.
I don't know what we're supposed to portal to though.
Okay, there's a button over here, so... Okay, hold on. We need to smash into that button for sure. So we'll come out of... that portal? Nice.
Woo! But we need a lot of force. We gotta be like moving fast.
Yeah, there's a cube here. What is this cube over here doing? Do we snag one? Do we grab a cube from here? Nope, they're just falling. Falling.
Is there one of those like infinite wall situations we could do so we can like get some momentum?
Yeah, that's what I was
Oh, what's
thinking.
down here?
Does it lead anywhere?
It goes somewhere.
I'm following.
Oh, I see. Look, you could jump in here and create a lot of momentum.
Oh, that's right. Alright, alright. Yeah, you're right. So, is your other portal still open over there besides that one? Yes, it is. Okay, I'm
Yeah,
coming.
my
Yes.
exit is, yeah.
I'm coming.
Yeah,
Yeah.
give it a shot.
I'm gonna jump down. I'm gonna jump.
I'll hang out by the cube. I
Hold
don't know
on,
if it
hold
falls
on.
or something.
So I jump from here. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2. I hope I land this. Whee! Whoa! Booyah! What did we do?
I don't know. What did it do?
I don't know.
It launched the cube up in the air. That didn't help us.
It launched a cube
Well?
in the air.
Yeah, it went straight up. Maybe we have to like time it.
Well, I don't mind trying
As
it
the
again.
cube is like, I don't know. Should I try hitting it again?
All right.
Let's see.
What is that? Oh, there it is.
It launches it up in the air. How are we supposed to get that? Oh, I see. Look at the exit, the higher exit over here. So somebody has to jump, hit it, and the other person has to jump.
Whoa, and get
higher
it. Whoa.
And get it.
All right. So you need. Okay. All right. So
you
here's
have to
what.
set up your portal.
So okay. So I'll do one here, and I'll do one here. So you'll jump from that one. Oh. Okay. So I'm gonna put that one for you. All right. So you jump through mine.
Let me see how this works first.
All right. Okay. Go.
All right. So it's up in the air, and I grab it. Okay. That's gonna be super hard. Hold on. I need to get back there.
Oh.
Whee!
Okay.
Yeah. Don't jump.
Put the portal again. All right. So.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
Let's try
Go
this.
ahead.
Let's try this in theory. In practicality, I mean. All right. So that's you.
All right, I'm gonna go. No, it's too soon.
Yes.
Oh,
there's
man.
like a little bleep that bleeps 3 times. It goes beep, beep.
Okay. I'll wait for the beep thing.
Senza, we do
Okay.
T-shirt to vloggy and true. We do it. Now we do it this time. We do it for sure. We do it though.
This is the real time.
We do it though.
We do.
I'm going now.
We do what we do.
All right, so-
Okay.
Here we go. Give it a sec. Beep, 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 go.
Okay, 3 beeps.
Oh, it passed already.
Oh! Ah!
Can I try?
I'll
Can I
go.
try to be the one that catches
Yeah.
it? I don't think I'm gonna do it,
Yeah.
but you try. We'll see.
Let me set mine up. Okay. All right, here I go. I'm gonna push the button. Ah! Okay. Okay.
Nope.
Oh, too soon. Way
Yeah,
too soon.
Way too soon. So I'm gonna have to. Oops.
Wait.
Oh, I messed
Did
this
you?
up. I messed this
No,
up.
you messed that up. Now you gotta walk up.
That's okay.
Hey, there you are.
That is okay.
Okay. He's okay. Okay. Here we go. Let's try it again.
Okay. No, you be.
going.
All right.
I guess we can both try it. I'm just gonna go too.
I got it.
You got it! I'm coming with you! Yeah! I stole it from you!
That's okay. You can keep it. Now, how do we get out of here? Oh, portal.
Good
All right.
question.
Grab the thing. Portal time.
Got it. Alright.
There we
Oh,
go.
yeah, the laser.
Now then.
Man, we're smart!
Now I have the laser. Now what do we do with the laser? Oh, there we go. We
Oh, I
hit that
see the.
over
Oh,
there.
yeah, it's over there. Yeah, I see.
What happened?
What? Laser it again? I don't think you're lasering it. I must do something.
Oh, red light went on. I don't know. Oh, the fan stopped rotating. The fan stopped rotating. I don't know the blades of the fan.
What is that?
I have no
What
idea.
does that do for us? Oh, I see. Exit over here. Hold that down. Watch this. Whoa, mama! Ah, you you
Sorry, I thought you said put that down. I thought you meant put that down.
Hold it!
I thought you meant put that down. All right, let's try again. Try again.
No more trust and vloggy.
I thought you meant put that down. I'm like, okay, I put the cookie down. Okay, so you
put
did
the
it.
cookie down.
Now what?
I don't know. Maybe see if there's something here to get you through.
Because if I let this go, it starts rotating again. So
Hold on. Gotta be something here. Oh, there's a laser here.
Okay.
Oh, hold on. There's a laser exit here, and it's fan shut down. So that's gotta be... Can you aim the laser? Damn, how are we supposed to do this?
If you want, I can aim the laser through the fan blades. I don't know if it's gonna work though. No, it's not gonna work.
Hey, how does, damn.
Oh, you know what?
Can you...
Maybe I need to be very fast because there's like, let's see, if I let this go. No, it starts rotating right away.
Can you burn through this window I'm at over here? Do you see
Let me
me over
see,
here?
let me see if I
where
can
I'm
do
at?
that. Okay, careful. Careful. No, I can't
You
go
can go
higher.
higher?
No, I can go higher. No.
Can you set up, is there a wall like right in front of you there to laser through? To laser into a portal?
Yes, I can do that. But to where? Oh, okay, I have an idea.
You see straight in front of me?
I have an idea, I have an idea. Alright, hold on.
Okay, okay.
Oh, I cannot port it.
Is
Hold on.
there... Oh no,
Let me
that's
try
not a
something.
wall.
Let me try something. Hold on. What? Okay, no, the portal doesn't work here. Okay, so what if I do it here? And then I do it here? Oh, crap. Hold on. Ouch. Let me see if I can do
so
this.
this...
Alright. I'm doing something right now.
Oh, okay. Here, now put the exit. Do you see where I'm standing in this room?
Hang on a sec. Now, I'm gonna... Yeah, you mean here.
Yeah, right there. Does the laser...
I cannot straighten the laser, though. I don't know how to straighten the line of the laser.
Oh. Because if you can send a laser
I'm gonna
somehow
try.
here...
I'm gonna try to move it. Hold on. Maybe I can do this one. No, this doesn't work with this one. All right. Maybe I can just move it around a little bit, and maybe we can straighten it up a little bit. I don't know. Is anything
Damn.
changing?
It's shooting at a crazy angle.
But no, the laser is not gonna break the glass because even the laser is going through this glass here. So that is not gonna be the case.
And I have to stay on this side because there's one of those little beams here. If I go through my portals disappear.
Hold on.
It's gotta be something where you shoot it through the glass here. It's gotta be.
I have another idea. Hold on. I have another idea.
Alright.
Am I doing anything right now?
It's shooting the laser way up in the sky.
Oh, okay. So no, I have no ideas. Trying to think.
See, because you see where I'm standing? If the laser went straight where I'm standing, it would go into my little laser fan shutdown thing.
Yeah.
And there's a portal wall straight ahead of me, but how do we angle that stupid laser?
Trying to think.
There's no like flat surface wall around there, is there, to put an actual portal on?
No.
All the weird angles, right?
No. What about this one? Okay, this is... Alright, hold on. I found one, actually, a flat surface. Hold on.
Oh, okay, there we go.
Oh. Don't die. Okay.
You getting lasered?
Alright, I got this. Hold on. I found a flat surface. Hold on.
Okay,
So
but,
if I
but
leave
you gotta
it-
put the exit...
Hold on.
You gotta put the exit,
Yeah. I'm just putting this at an angle first. Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on. Alright, so that's fine. Now,
Yeah, that looks good. And the
like
portal-
that?
There it is! Yeah!
Yeah?
Oh, wait, it moved. Oh, or did it work? Did it
Everything
work?
went
Is the fan
off.
shut down?
Okay, yes, everything shut down. Even the laser went off now. It just worked.
Yeah, now you
Alright.
can portal over here.
Alright, so now what I do is put one over here, put one over here, and here I come! Whee!
It's a me, a portalo! And then
Aha! We're so good.
we have to
Because
push
it was
these
very
buttons at
hidden,
the same time.
that wall, that straight line. It was very
Yeah.
hidden, I couldn't see it. And Alright. Nice. Now, where are we?
I think we gotta pull these at the same time.
Ooh, very Resident Evil. Very
Yeah, I know, right? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, we didn't do
Oh,
it together.
one.
Alright, let's try again.
1, 2, 3. Oh, we
Really?
didn't do it at the same time. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Yes!
There we go.
We cannot.
Teamwork.
We cannot count.
1, 2, 4.
It wasn't very forgiving like Resident Evil 5.
Yeah, right.
Alright, now where are we?
Oh, we're not
insert
done
this.
yet, Jesus.
Oh, we need to install Windows. Windows update.
Insert the CD.
Oh no.
Oh, I found the CD.
You found really? You found the CD?
Ah.
Okay.
Very good. You found those useless blueprints.
Oh,
I do
good.
need you to be in the room so I can see them. I want to be clear. There's no reason whatsoever for you to look at them.
Oh, that sounds suspicious.
Whoa! What just happened? You blew up.
Did she murder us?
Well, only you blew up actually. I don't know what. I didn't blow up. You blew up.
I saw you blew up.
Oh, okay, alright, so
I'm pretty sure
there's a
she
conspiracy
just
going on. Conspiracy.
She's suspicious. I do not approve.
Alright, we're back. Yeah, babe! What
I
the?
don't know what
Whoa! I ripped
What
off
did
your
you
head,
do to
dude.
me?
Maybe I shouldn't send you outside of the official testing courses.
Alright.
You are picking up some bad human traits. And trust me, humans only have one good trait.
Wow, you've taken a lot more steps than me. You see that?
Mm-hmm. So. Now, what do we do? This
I
is
don't know, is
easy.
this a level?
This is easy.
Easy peasy.
Look at this. I'm already on the other side. Look. Haha. woohoo.
Hey. Oh.
Oh, what's this?
Uh-oh. Oh, level 8, huh?
I don't know.
Oh, select your level. Oh yeah, let's go.
Okay, let's see what happens next.
We ain't afraid of no ghosts.
We are afraid of no nothing. Okay, we're being disassembled.
Lucky buddy, your partner in science.
Does it say that?
Yeah, in the bottom left.
To complete this test, you need to find a set of blueprints. Don't worry.
What?
They are of
Wait.
no use
What?
to anyone.
What?
Totally boring and useless.
What?
This is just a
Wait,
thought
did
experiment.
we beat the game?
Just to see
Did
how
we?
much time
Really?
you'll waste thinking
Was that
about
it?
No, I'm sure there's more. I remember there was like some sludge that you step on and it bounces you.
Hold on, I'm gonna take us to the hub.
Alright.
I think that's where we were.
Alright,
Was
so.
that course too difficult?
I think we need to go to team building then, I guess.
I don't know.
Oh, see, because we completed all those.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Alright.
I changed my mind. I don't want to do this. Bye.
Ah, I can get out.
Ah, you can get out. That's not
that
funny.
was
It's not funny then.
Yeah.
While you're being disassembled, I'm like, no, I changed my mind. I don't want to do this.
I'm leaving. Lucky why?
Alright, let's do this. You know what I'm thinking of doing? I download this stream and upload it to YouTube now.
Outside the confines of the lab.
Maybe
Oh,
I'll do
is
it.
that what you're gonna do?
So
Yeah, I think I'll do that.
box. I can't.
That's cool.
I mean, won't even tell you what you were looking for. You will know it when you find it.
Okay.
So we're looking for something and we don't know what it is, but okay, this is a dead end here.
Hey, look, I got here.
Oh, you closed your portal and I cannot join you now.
Oh, you can set it up. You can set it up. It's easy.
But I wanted
went
to
through a
share.
little laser.
I wanted to share
I went
portal
through a-
with you.
I went through a laser beam. It stole my portal from me.
Oh, that's true. Yeah, that's true.
This board says do not trust her.
Security
That
through obscurity
sounds suspicious.
is our only hope. I like the math. I make joke. I don't like math. All right, so
I don't like math.
where do I go?
Hell,
This-
you're here. Oh, whoops. Oh, there's the other. You
has
gotta
to
push
be
that
another
one.
Oh, there we go. 3, 2, 1.
Hey,
Ah,
teamwork.
first attempt. What?
Oh, what the hell?
What?
Okay, we gotta go fast, I guess.
Gotta go fast. 3, 2, 1, go. I did it.
Oof, whoa, wow.
Okay, now
This-
there's.
this-
This is a point of no return for sure now. Oh, disc.
Yeah. How
The
do
disc
we get
player's
back?
over here. The disc player's over here. Is it this one?
It doesn't go in this one.
Oh,
Nope, it's gotta go in that one in the front. Can we get out?
really?
Oh yeah, we can get out.
Oh, we can.
Ah, go!
Here we go. Let's watch a movie.
Yeah.
Congratulations. You managed to complete this absolutely meaningless test.
Hey.
I almost forgot. When you go outside the testing courses, the only way I can retrieve you is to violently disassemble you, then carefully reassemble you. Luckily, you don't feel pain. At any rate, you don't have a way to communicate that you feel pain. I consider that
What?
failing, by the way.
Come on. What's going on?
Are we losing these? Is this not how we're supposed to complete these levels or
I
something?
have no idea. I have no idea what's going on. I don't even know if we're doing this or if we're failing this. I don't know.
It just keeps
I
taking
think
us
we need to
here.
select the
Was
tests
that
and
course
stuff.
too difficult?
Wait, I just realized. Over there's number 3. How do we get to number 3? There's number 3. Do you see that up there? There's a door that says
Where?
number 3. Oh, how did you get there? Okay.
just said four.
Yeah. What happens if you jump on that? There we go. That's where I wanted to go. Oh,
Oh my god!
that's where I want to go as well. Hold on, I'm coming.
Okay. Just use my portal.
Now then, what do I do? I just push the button?
No, just make a portal.
Number 2.
Oh, you got rid of my portal?
How do I get there?
Put a portal on the wall and then shoot a portal all the way up here. You see where mine is? That blue one?
I don't see it. No. Where is yours?
No, up here, up here.
Oh,
I
okay,
mean,
okay. I shoot one up there.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
hold on.
Yeah.
Alright, so I just...
Not there though. You're gonna miss.
Oh,
You gotta shoot it on mine.
alright. So I just go through and...
Yeah, and it'll land you on that push
Boing!
pad. Hey!
Alright, so this is a set of new tests, I think.
Hard light surfaces. Alright.
Alright, let's go. Let's see where this takes us. Violently disassembling you.
Yeah.
And carefully reassembling you. Instead of the other way around. I wonder why there isn't a Portal 3. This was a very successful game.
This course was created and then abandoned by humans.
Valve Software, they don't make games.
Create something
Yeah.
wonderful and then abandon it.
Alright,
Do
so.
you know why they abandoned this course? Too deadly.
Oh.
Wait, what?
They abandoned this course because it's too deadly. What's this? Can I go through? What happened? Oh, hello.
What? Yeah.
Oh, hello.
Oh, it's a walkway?
Yeah, but we need to.
Oh! Look at that!
Okay.
Whee!
Hold on.
I think you need to do another one.
Where? Here? Doesn't work here.
And then... No. Oh, yeah, it's true, huh? I don't know. Well, this ledge came out here for some reason. That's gotta mean something.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I have an idea. Come back. Come back
Alright.
to your original port. No! was crossing the bridge! Alright, now, I hope my portal is still there, though. I hope my portal is still there, because I placed the portal, and now... Ah, it's gone.
Well, now your portal's gone. You got rid of the bridge.
Alright, no worries. Let's try this again. Let's try this again. Where'd you place the other one? Oh, here?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. Let me just take a look. Alright, what you need to do is... Hold on. Man, I saw the solution earlier. Where? I'm pretty sure I saw what needs to be done. Okay, there was a portal here. Alright, yes. Okay. Alright. So what I'm gonna do is... I hope this works.
Alright.
Yes!
Oh, I see. Oh, clever.
But now, if I'm gonna change the portal,
We're gonna die.
it's gonna be on top of us. I want it. Oh man. I don't know what needs to be done now.
I think I got it. See. Use mine now. Use mine.
How? All right, that's right. Yeah. Okay, I didn't realize that one was also portable surface.
This thing's still going? Oh, Sakura is tired of us streaming.
Oh man.
Look at that.
Oh man.
Sakura, you know what? I think Sakura might be the robot lady in this game.
We disappointed 100% of our viewers.
100%. Man, that's sad.
Where'd you go?
Oh, this thing just launched you straight up.
Oh, I know what needs to be done.
That's interesting.
I know what needs to be done.
You do?
Yes. All right, watch me. Now watch me whip. Oh, no, don't worry.
I just watched Shinene a little bit.
Hold on. Watch me whip.
You don't hate us. You love us. I'm watching you. You realize when you go through that laser, your portals disappear on whatever other side you're on.
That's right. Okay, so you do it for me then. No, wait. It's not gonna work.
That won't work.
Yeah.
Oh, look, we can make bridges.
Oh, okay. That is useful. Is it? Oh, yes, it is. Leave it there. Yes!
Hey.
Oh, no!
Oh, but then mine disappears. You gotta make it for me.
How? What do I press? I don't have...
You gotta put one up there.
Oh, hold on. Yes, that's right.
See where the... Yeah, and then you gotta put it underneath
There you
there.
go. Amy! Is that true? My long-lost love?
Amy, love.
You tell me. Now, what do we do now? What do we do?
Wait, now what do we do?
We need a ball, apparently, here. We need balls.
Oh, we need some balls, eh?
Yeah. All right,
Sure,
so...
Sakura will have something to say about that.
Giggity!
Oh, so we didn't solve anything then. What the hell?
How are you, Amy? We need to play this game. We need to play this game together. I don't know where to get the ball, though. We need... Oh, this
Amy
is the
doesn't
machine.
see it.
This is the machine that drops the balls, but it's closed. There's a machine here to drop.
Amy, I'm being a cabbage.
Oh,
today.
I see it. I
Look
see
at my
where we need to.
t-shirt.
I see where we need to go to get the ball. All right. Here's what we're gonna do. All right. Here's what we need. Here's what we're gonna do. Going on the bridge. No, my bridge disappeared. Do it for me, please.
I'm leaving you for vloggy. Oh, Sakura has abandoned me.
You're being a cabbage. Okay, I will never play this game. Why? Why you never play this? Okay, hold on. I'm coming. Oh!
I'll put it over here. I'll put it over here.
Okay,
I'll put a little more over here.
All right, I'm coming. All right, here we go. Now, what we need to do next is... I need to put a...
I'm wearing my cabbage
Ooh.
shirt, Amy.
Can I put a portal here? Oh, can you move the portal right into my
yeah,
portal?
yeah.
Can you do that? Oh! Hold on. No worries, no worries, no
okay,
worries, no
okay.
worries, no worries. Oops.
Wait, here, I'll move it this way. Okay, and then you go under it.
All
And
right.
then boom.
Oh, nice! Excellent teamwork. All right, now
portal
what we
skills.
now what we need to do is find a way. Okay. My portal's over there. Now, I'm gonna put one over here. One over here. Okay, what am I doing? Okay, one
Your
over
entrance
here.
has to be over
All right,
there.
there we go. There we go. There we go. But how do I get
Wait,
up
what
there
does that
anyway?
do?
How do I get up there anyway?
Just take your portal.
Oh yeah, that's right. Use the portal. I'm so stupid. I'm so.
How do I get there with my portal?
There we go. I'm so stupid. How do I get there?
How do I get there?
Oh, man.
You should-
That was a
where's
blonde
that- where's
moment.
Where's that clip thing that Cheer did? You gotta clip that.
Yeah.
Oh,
All right. So I dropped the ball now. I have the ball. I have the ball.
Oh, excuse me.
I'm coming now. I'm going back on the. Oh.
Oh, I'll move it. I'll move it.
Yes, please. Oh, there you go. No!
The ball gets
No!
evaporated.
Seriously?
Oh! I know what to do. I know what to do.
I just need
Get
to
the
jump
ball
from
again?
here. I just need to jump from here so it doesn't reach me. That's what I need to do.
No. I know what to do. I put a beam higher so you hit it, and then I put another one below you and catch you with it.
Ah, that doesn't have to be that complicated. I just jumped. Actually, yeah, that's right. That's what. Oh, there it is. There's the ball. There's the ball.
Okay, so go ahead. Oh wait. Oh, here we go. I'll stop you, and then I'll put it underneath.
Nice! You're a genius.
Michael
Genius.
Jordan.
Yeah. The button needs touching. Yes. Oh yeah.
Oh, you touch my button.
Touch
You
your.
worked out the one good trait humans have yet. I give you a clue. It's the one thing you can't do.
Oh man. All right, we did this.
What's that lady trying to say about us?
I don't know. She's saying we are humans, I think, and I think she's onto us.
Are we human?
Or are we dancer? Is it? What does the song say? Are we human? Or are we dancers? Is it dancer?
How does that? It's Tiny Dancer, right? How's that going? I don't know.
Oh.
I thought going back to these old tests would satisfy me. But try as you might to fail this next
Ooh,
test.
hello.
You still won't be satisfied.
Hello. Hello.
Oh yeah, it's the
Put
killer
one
song.
here, put one there, and I got us a bridge like this. And then I put one. Uh-oh, no. Now what? I don't know what's next.
Hey, what'd you do there, buddy? Whoa, what the hell? We got a lot of lasers on here. Whee! Oh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck! Ah, get out of my way!
You know what's fun? If I. Ooh! Okay. Now what? Sorry, I had to. Sorry, I couldn't resist. Don't drop through. Alright,
drop
let's
through.
try again. So now what? Where do we go from
I
here?
don't know.
Hey, you're trying to get me? You're trying to pay me back? Alright, now what? I have no idea. Oh, there's a... Hold on. I see something up there. Can we portal up there? No, portal doesn't work
we?
up there. No. What up there? Wait, maybe there's something over here. Hold on. No. What about...
There's a wall over there. That doesn't no good.
Oh, yeah, that's great actually. Portal a hole over here.
Why? Well, but we can't go.
Oh, you
portal over
can't.
there.
That's
not a
right.
wall.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, no problem. So portal, go back on here and portal over here. Make a portal. Get on the bridge.
Where,
No.
here?
Get on the bridge, and do the whole. Hold on. Yeah, but now I think you used the same one. You used the opening. Hold on.
Well, we can only use one opening.
Yeah. Let me show you what I mean. Leave it as it is. Don't worry. So
Okay.
I'm gonna put one portal over here, and I'm gonna put one. Come back. Yeah. I'm gonna put one portal over here. Ta-da! Look where we are.
Oh, I see. Clever.
Yeah, but
Right.
I ran out of cleverness now.
Oh, the cleverness ran out. Maybe.
What's this? I don't know.
Man, there's like nothing to portal onto over here.
Exactly. Does it need to be higher, perhaps? But still nothing. I don't know. Okay, so those walls are portable. Alright, so those walls... but this one is not, isn't it? No. I'm stuck. Something has to do with these portals for sure.
Maybe. Let's try this again. Is there anything we can see over here?
Can I push you?
Yes, you can. Get away from me.
Oh! I don't know what to do with this one. Whoa! Why'd you kill us both?
Oh, you're on there? I know you're on there.
Alright, now then, what do we do?
Wait, how did you set up the one that went that way?
The initial one was like this. Ah, yeah, just shoot. Exactly. That's the first one. And then what I did was shoot a portal through here. Maybe it needs to be higher, but it doesn't make a difference. That's the thing. It does not make difference. Wait a minute. I have an idea. No, it doesn't work. Careful with the portals.
Oh yeah, that's right. These are mine.
What if I put one over here? What? No! What did you kill me for? Eh?
I didn't kill you. I fell off accidentally and died.
So now I put one over here. Ah, crap. Alright, let's try again. Because I think I have an idea. And I died.
Oh!
That's okay, that's okay. I died, no problem. Did my portal disappear?
Yeah, your portals disappear when you die. That's what happened to me just now.
Okay. Wait, I need to figure out which is which. This
Yeah, how did you do that the first time?
one. So we might die again.
Oh.
We might die.
Oh, no, don't do it, don't do it!
Sorry!
I had it!
Sorry! That's okay, that's okay. Trial and error.
Okay, set the bridge up again. And then I set mine up, and then I used mine.
Alright, so now... Okay, and then what? This is as far as we got last time.
Yeah, this is interesting.
Can I? There's nothing down here.
It's gotta be something with your portals, because one person has to set this one up, and then the other person has to continue it somehow.
Hold on. I have an idea. I have
don't
an
wanna shoot
idea.
you.
I have an idea. I have an idea.
Alright.
Yes. Come back out.
Oh.
Out. Go back.
Hold on. Okay.
All right. Now watch. Now I'm gonna overwrite my portal with your portal, and we made it. You see?
Oh, clever.
But now you need to do no.
Yeah, look.
What did you do?
That's it.
Why did you do that? Oh, up there. Wait. Ah, okay. All right. Okay. Whew. All right.
Yeah, relax.
I thought I was gonna die. All right. Now what?
Oh no, the bridge didn't. Oh, the bridge has to be a little higher to go all the way across here. Unless we can jump. Oh, never mind. We just jump.
You jump? Okay. I don't think I can jump.
You can do it. You're tall.
Yes.
So many times in this test, I thought you were becoming human.
Oh.
But then you would just come back again. And
She's
again.
slightly insulting.
Humans find that an
Wait, who's over on
admirable trait.
Logie Buddy's stream?
All I have is a zoo fox and a let me live. Chat. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking of doing. Download the stream and then re-uploading it on YouTube. Just
Yeah, that's pretty
that's
cool.
what I think
Yeah.
I'll do. We'll see if that works.
No, let me live in my stream. I'm
One
just
of my
over here
best
by
jokes,
myself.
and they let plants grow.
Sorry, hold on.
They just sit
Bollocks.
there, never showing pain nor fear.
All right.
That isn't science.
Now what?
You got me. That's true. I got Cheer. Cheers here. You my boy, Cheer.
Ah, Cheers there as well. No, I'll never
Yeah.
make a third game. He said earlier. All right. So now what? What do you do? What are you doing?
I don't know.
I'm just
I go
following
over
you
here and
around.
push this button.
Oh, push a button. Yes.
I don't know. Oh, we need to save that ball. Can you
What?
continue the stream over there?
I only stream on Twitch.
Ah!
How do?
Jokes.
Where does the ball come out? Oh,
Put-
over here. Okay.
Put an exit
Like this?
here.
Like that? Look.
No. No, that's not close enough. You gotta put it here. Put your exit here against this wall.
Whoops. What did I do?
There we go.
There we go. Yeah, there's.
Oh.
What do you do?
Okay, I guess you gotta wait.
I
for
can
it.
I can
thought-
catch
I
it.
thought-
No worries. I can catch it.
You got it. You got it. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my God! You on Twitch?
All right. Try again.
You know I'm on Twitch.
Try again.
Abandon's vlogging.
Try.
On Twitch, I'm repping that cabbage. I'm living that cabbage life right now.
Press
Oh,
the
you
button.
didn't catch it?
Nah, that was just.
I'm over here.
I was just
I'm
testing
talking
you.
to Amy right now. You're testing me, man.
Oh man, I
bad,
caught
but-
it and it fell. I caught it and it fell. Try again. All right, there we
Got
go.
it.
Got it. Now what?
There we go. Good question. Now what? Oh, let's go back over here. Let's exit this area. Oh, this isn't an exit. How the hell do we get out of here?
I don't know. Over here.
Oh, take my portal. Take my portal. Wait, how do we get up there?
All right.
Oh, we need to make a bridge.
Yeah, I'm
that
gonna put
exits
the
up
I'm
top
gonna
there.
put the ball down here, safe, for now, so we can.
Cabbage life tea.
So what I'm gonna do is, are you standing on a bridge? Don't be on a bridge, because I'm
not on a bridge. I'm not on a
gonna
bridge.
do some experiments now.
Yeah, we gotta make this bridge happen.
All right, so. Oh wait, how
Oh.
do I?
Ah!
There we go, like that. I'm coming.
Woo! Teamwork!
No, wait, no, that's
Yeah,
not
all
gonna.
right.
I can't reach the. I can't reach the bridge from here.
Oh, hand me the ball. See if you can do it from over there.
Hold on, let me hand you the ball. Can you take the ball? Yes,
I
you
got
got it. Yeah, but what about me?
Let me think. Maybe if I... Oh, is that closer?
I'm gonna take a
You should be
jump.
able to jump and then you can make the
All
portal.
right, I
on
got
this
the
side.
jump. I made the jump. Now,
But you have to make your portal. On this side where it's cutting off. You see, down below? And then you make your exit up top. There you go.
man, it's so confusing.
And then I betray you!
I made it. So good.
We're so smart!
Oh man, what's this? Oh, right, bye.
Oh, have a great time.
Bye, have a great time. I'm coming back though. I don't know what the point of this is.
I think you need to help me with that bridge.
How?
Because you can make a
So the
portal
bridge
there,
comes
where
out
it's
of-
ending.
All right, so.
Alright, alright.
Wait. Let me try again. Hold on. Like that? No.
No, you just murdered my bridge.
Sorry. Yeah.
Oh, I see what we do. Okay. Put that bridge, exit, Actually, no. Screw your bridge. Your bridge is dead to us.
But-
Here's what we do.
What about me?
Let me come over there. No.
I don't want you anywhere near me. All right, now for real.
Wait, I had a plan and then I totally forgot it. I didn't know what I was supposed to do. I don't know. But you see the ones above it? We need to drop down onto a bridge somehow.
How?
I think.
Trying to think. Hmm. What about these? Oh, okay. All right, what you need to do? There we go. There, that's it. That's it. But you just need to move it a little bit. Move it a little bit.
No, you need to make yours. You need to make your wall over here so it blocks us halfway. We hit the wall and we land in the middle. See?
Oh yeah, that's right.
And then I'll put mine
There
higher.
we go. Whee!
There.
Whoa! Careful! No!
You died someone away.
Such wonderful memories.
Alright, round two.
So like this, and like this. Let's try again.
Yeah.
There we go. Bye.
Yeah.
Excellent work.
We're so smart.
Reward for completing this test.
We're so smart.
A reward for
I'm gonna have to end the stream here though. I'm gonna have to quit it because I need to pick up my dad from the airport.
No, that's good. That's
like
good. I gotta head out too.
in like half an hour.
pick up the papa.
Yeah. All right then. I'm gonna go.
Alrighty.
Oh, my back.
Adios.
I'm so old, man.
I know. I just cracked my back too.
See ya, guys. Bye. Have a great time.
Amy, old man. Bye.
Bye,
See you, bye, Amy. Sakura.